Hello guys and welcome to my channel. Let's get straight into the charts. Remember, this is just for fun and educational purposes. I'm not your financial advisor. Let's look at the American indices. This is Nasdaq, and as you can see, as I pointed out, we have a low here, a high, a higher low, and a higher high. This was very bullish, a bullish pattern. But then something happened and we seem to have turned around. We have a low here, which is still a higher low, but then we have a lower high and then a lower low. In fact, we are still going down, so we will see how far we will go down. What can we expect here? We could go to 14,460. But when I measure this move, I expect Nasdaq to go down to 1440. This could be, it's not a nice head and shoulder pattern, but we can say that this is a sort of head and shoulder pattern, and in that case, this price prediction of 14,040 is a valid prediction. Let's look at the SP500 and the daily chart. This is the daily chart on SP500. Yeah, so what happened here? We had a bullish trend, a low, a high, a higher low, higher high, and a higher high. This was a beautiful bullish trend, but something happened here, and we made here a lower low and then a lower high. It seemed for a while that we may have a double bottom. In this case, I measured it and set our price target, but it did not. It decided to turn down, and of course, a lower high says there's danger in the market. Something else is going to happen. So we turned down and we are falling as I'm speaking. So we broke down from this lower low, and it suggests that we are going to the downside. What can we expect? And of course here, let me show you this. I can see a head and shoulder pattern. Let's see if I can. Okay, this is a beautiful drawing, but this is shoulder, head, and shoulder, and this is the neckline, and we can make a measured move. Oops. Okay, and then yeah, to the neckline around here. I measure this from the top to the neckline, and then of course, this gives us a price target. We are getting closer and closer to this price target, around 4,200, and yeah, 4,207 or so. So we are on our way there. At 4,200, what could happen is that we come to this point and bounce back up. Come to this point, bounce back up, and make a lower high, and then go down, further down, or bounce back up and continue the bullish trend. Or we could also come under 4,200 because it's like a river flowing down, and then flow down, and we cannot stop it here. It cannot be stopped here. It flows down a little bit more and then bounces back up, or flows down and comes only to touch 4,200 again, or this area. Later I will talk about that probably as an area of resistance, and continue our way to the downside, where this could also be a target once we break down below 4,200. The next target could be 4,130, 30ish area, or we could fall as far as 4,000 and 4,050, 60, 4,060, 4,030-ish area. But once we fall to 4,200, that's actually half the correction, about 5% correction, I guess, or a little bit more. But that's half, it's not a big deal. So, well, that's about the American indices. See you next time.